Lambert Peat Moss is your source for a wide range of substrates that are perfect for use in home gardens, landscapes, and other applications. Our OMRI Listed Pro Organic All-Purpose Mix promotes ideal root growth for bedding plants, flowering plants, hanging baskets, herbs, foliage, cuttings, seed germination, interior scapes, whiskey barrels, and window boxes. Buy it in 8-quart, 16-quart, 1 cubic foot loose fill, 2 cubic foot compressed bags. Lambert Potting Mix is useful for many indoor and outdoor applications. OMRI Listed and environmentally friendly, it promotes the aeration, drainage, and assimilation of nutrients that are essential for optimum plant growth. It's available in 1.5 cubic foot loose fill bags. Add Lambert OMRI Listed garden soil for flowers and vegetables to your vegetable and flower beds to aerate clay soils and bind sandy soils for better water retention and drainage. It's available in 1.5 cubic foot loose fill bags. Our easy-to-spread Lambert lawn soil is OMRI Listed for organic production, versatile, ready to use, and ideal for establishing an entirely new lawn or simply reseeding bare spots, and is great under new sod installation. It's available in 1.5 cubic foot. Lambert Trees and Shrubs Planting Mix is OMRI Listed and pH adjusted to loosen your soil and promote better root growth. It reduces leaching of fertilizer and saves water. Purchase it in 1.5 cubic foot. Our professional organic potting mix is similar to the blend used by professional growers. Use it for best results with your bedding plants, flowering plants, hanging baskets, foliage, cuttings, seed germination, interior scapes, whiskey barrels, and window boxes. It's available in 3 cubic foot loose fill bags. OMRI Listed Lambert Professional Organic Soil is an ideal substrate for incorporating organic matter into a flower bed or vegetable garden to loosen compact soil and keep nutrients from leaching. It's available in 2 cubic foot bags. All-purpose organic potting mix is favored by plant lovers as an indoor and outdoor medium that promotes aeration, drainage, and assimilation of essential nutrients, and it's pre-moistened for ease of use. You can buy it in 1.5 cubic foot loose fill bags. Choose all-purpose organic garden soil to add quality organic matter to your vegetable and flower beds, loosen and improve aeration of clay soils, bind sandy soils, and enhance water retention and drainage. Buy it in 2 cubic foot. We've specially formulated Lambert Complete Potting Mix with moisture crystals and controlled release fertilizer to be an all-purpose blend that will reduce the frequency of watering and fertilization during the growing season and maintain good aeration for ideal plant growth. It's available in 1 and 2 cubic foot loose fill bags. Lambert Hanging Basket and Planter Mix is a lightweight blend that provides excellent water retention and drainage for maintaining a healthy root system even under stressful conditions. Buy it in 1 cubic foot. Lambert All-Purpose Potting Mix is suitable for a wide range of plants and applications. Use it in everything from your small indoor containers to larger containers outdoors. It's available in 4-quart, 8-quart, 16-quart, 32-quart, 1, 2, and 3 cubic foot sizes. Lambert Seed and Cutting Mix is formulated to meet all of your seed germination and propagation requirements. Its fine texture flows into seed trays easily and ensures good aeration, water retention, and drainage for vulnerable young plants. Buy it in 8 and 16 dry quart sizes. Our Cactus and Succulents Mix contains a coarse sand to provide extra weight and support for top-heavy plants. Use it to increase evaporation and provide the dry, gritty, low-nutrient conditions found in nature. Buy it in bags of 4 dry quart size. Lambert Orchids Mix is a blend of Canadian Sphagnum peat moss chunks, red pine bark, hardwood charcoal, and volcanic rock that encourages good root development for epiphytic orchids. It's heavier than most houseplant mixes and comes in 4 dry quart size. We formulated our African violets mix for plants that have low light requirements and very fine roots, like African violets and other members of the Gesneriid family, plus Gloxinias, Epiceus, and Strepocarpus. You can buy it in 8 dry quart bags. Lambert 100% horticultural wood charcoal can be incorporated in terrariums to reduce salts and filter out organic smells, and also blended with other substrates for the cultivation of certain genera of orchids such as vandas. It's sold in 4 quart bags. 100% Canadian Lambert Sphagnum moss is used in the lining of wire frames and hanging baskets. It's ideal as a solution for difficult to propagate air layering plants. Available in 8 dry quart bags, this product is also perfect for topiaries and bonsai. Lambert Horticultural Perlite is an ideal amendment to blend with growing mixes for plants that require higher aeration or drainage than most. It's also an excellent substrate to provide support for rooting cuttings. You can buy it in 8 dry quart bags. Our horticultural vermiculite is a lightweight aggregate with neutral pH that's used to increase water retention in your potting mixes and is ideal for use with seed trays. It won't rot, deteriorate, or mold and is long-lasting, odorless, and non-toxic. It's available in 8 dry quart bags. Our Lambert Organic Black Earth is an all-purpose homogeneous product with adjusted pH that's ideal for creating flower beds and vegetable gardens and for lawn maintenance. It's perfect for improving sandy soil and loosening compacted soil. Buy it in 24.5 dry quart bags. Lambert Gardening Soil is a special selection of pH-adjusted Canadian Sphagnum peat moss that's darker in color and higher in organic humates. Sold in 22.7 dry quart bags, it's an ideal soil conditioner for lawn maintenance, gardens, flowers, trees, and shrubs. Our Lambert Black Earth Type Blend is a blend of pH-adjusted Canadian Sphagnum peat moss and humus that we recommend for creating flower beds and vegetable gardens, for lawn maintenance, and for trees and shrubs. You can buy it in 24.5 dry quart bags. Lambert topsoil has a uniform texture that makes it easy to spread and blend in, and it's especially effective at loosening clay soils. Use it for excellent results with lawn maintenance, flower beds, and gardens. It's available in 22.7 dry quart bags. Our shrimp and peat moss compost contains organic matter for soil conditioning and nutrients that promote plant growth. Use it to create flower beds and vegetable gardens, as a soil conditioner, or for lawn maintenance and planting trees and shrubs. It's sold in 27.2 dry quart bags. Whether for gardens, ornamentals, or landscaping, we recommend pH-adjusted Lambert sheep manure compost and peat moss mix as soil conditioner. It's an excellent source of organic matter that also improves water retention. You can buy it in 27.2 dry quart bags. In addition to our loose-filled retail bag line, Lambert also offers you 3 professional-grade products in compressed bags: Professional Organic All-Purpose Mix in 2 cubic foot compressed bags, Professional All-Purpose LM3 in 3.8 cubic foot compressed bags, and Professional The Green Formula in 3.8 cubic foot compressed bags, all for the specific needs of the retail market. Our all-natural Lambert peat moss is an excellent soil amendment that provides organic matter for gardens and flower beds and is certified by OMRI. It offers a large number of benefits and is sold in a wide variety of sizes to meet our customers' differing needs. We take great pride in evaluating our various peat moss bogs by the color and particle size and identifying the best peats for each application. And you can be sure that all of our other ingredients we select for use in our products meet that same standard for quality. For more information, please visit our website at lambertpeatmoss.com or call our customer service at 418 852-2885. USA toll-free at 1-800-463-4083 or Canada toll-free at 1-800-463-1313.